Okay, guys, we're going to be doing dumbbell squats. You're going to want to find 2 dumbbells, something you can do properly with good form. Real quick, I'm going to go over some mechanics. So when you have the dumbbells here, you know, think about going down, okay? Pull your use your hamstrings to pull yourself down, okay? Your legs are going to be shoulder width apart. You're going to be pushing out while you're going up. You're really going to engage the quads. So down, okay, up, and squeeze. Really squeeze at the top. Down and up. All right, let's do that. Grab the dumbbells. You can hold them right here. Let me get this angle first. Okay, you're going to go down about 90 degrees. Use your hamstrings to pull down. Up. Squeeze. Up. Down. Squeeze. Okay. You're really focusing on keeping those abs tight. Okay, abs tight. Up. Okay, these are dumbbell squats.